I call it special buns because of its process. Today, I'm going to share with you how to turn your cake batter into a delicious sweet buns. Hello, creative bangers. Another one is here again. Okay, I'm sorry. Please pardon my voice. Okay. I have been under the weather, so for almost 3 days now, I've not posted video. That is because of my voice. I don't like posting videos without talking. It's as if I'm not connecting with you guys, so please manage my voice, okay? I know you will manage it. I love my community. Okay, let's begin. You can see I added soft butter just like you would do when baking cake. Okay, I added sugar. Go ahead and whisk both together for about 5 minutes. Then after 5 minutes, I start adding eggs one after the other. I'm using 2 eggs. Thank you so much for watching today's video. To my returning subscribers, I appreciate you all. If you are new here, a warm welcome to you. Please subscribe to my channel. Also like and share this video with your loved ones. All right. After mixing the eggs, I sift in my flour. Always sift your flour before making use of it. All right. Now I'm moving with the rest of the dry ingredients. I started with baking powder, salt, cinnamon powder. I'm going to add milk flavor. You can skip it or you can substitute with powdered milk. Then I added 1 cup of milk. I am going to mix to combine very well. Now you can use any dry ingredient of your choice. You can substitute cinnamon with nutmeg or any other dry flavor that you prefer. All right. Now I'm going to sift in the remaining flour. Once I add the flour, I am going to add the remaining milk. Now I'm going to mix with the whisk for about few seconds, then take it off and move in with my spatula to mix to combine very well. Okay, please, you are going to mix this properly till everything is well combined. Shout out to you, Rita, watching from Italy, Tricia from Uyo, Jumai from UK, Elizabeth watching from Nigeria, and Nadia all the way from Indonesia. Whoops. Oh, I'm glad you all love the recipe. Please let me know your name and where you're watching from so I can give you a shout out in my next video. Apologies if I didn't pronounce your name very well. Okay. Please, I apologize once more. Please manage my voice. I know the voice is not vibing. This is not the regular Lady C. Okay, but I still have to do this. Okay, now continue to mix just like I mentioned earlier till you form a very smooth batter. Now, this is what the texture looks like. This is how yours should be. Now, it is time to mold and drop. Okay, now I rub some oil on my pan. I'm loving the texture of the batter. Oh, very smooth. Please give this a try. You will love it. Mold and drop. Mold and drop. If you are with me at this moment, type mold and drop. Mold and drop into a deep, hot, moderate oil. In between your thumb and your index finger, you are going to mold and drop. You can also use an ice cream scooper to do this if you don't like the molding and dropping method. If you watch up on this minute, I appreciate you so much. It also means that you're enjoying this video. Please give this video a like. Also subscribe to my channel. Let's be family. Thank you so much. After molding and dropping, allow to cook for about 2 to 3 minutes. You go ahead and flip it around from time to time. Fry according to your preference, or once it is golden brown, look at those beauties. Look at those bangers. Look at those cuties. Oh my word. I'm loving the texture. Don't miss this recipe, creative bangers. Don't miss it. And we just delivered again without being pregnant. Do you love what you are seeing? Do you? Do you? If you do, type another banger at the comment section. Oh, it is still very hot at this moment. Look at the inside. I am feeling it. I'm sure you are feeling it from wherever you are watching it. Please don't leak your screen. It tasted so good and it is so filling. I want you to give it a try and get back to me as usual. Thanks for watching. Bye.